Hi everybody, welcome to Wendy's Decorium. Right, today I'm going to be using this mould and I'm going to be making some keychains with epoxy resin. I don't know if I've mentioned this before. My craft room is absolute chaos. It is, oh, I can't even describe. I might put a photo at the end of what my craft room looks like. It is disgraceful. Anyway, so I've been doing one little area at a time. Not for long, I've only just started, but I've been sorting through a few things and I've found, oh, you won't believe what I've found anyway. I've found lots and lots of butterflies, all different. Look there, like in 2 layers. Where else have I found them? Oh yeah, sorry about this. I found butterfly transparent stickers. I found big packs of butterflies, pink ones and white and gold ones. Anyway, I'm going to look through them because I can see a few small ones that might be useful. I've also found these. These are just the tip of the iceberg. I've got far too much stuff. I blame COVID, and the only thing that was on was the range. Right, I've got policeman stickers because my eldest son's a policeman. If I'm making anything, I like to put them on, so we have to do one of them. And I've also found these. These are for card making. Now I'm wondering if they will go in resin or whether it will ruin them. I don't know about them, but we'll see. And these little shakers, they're embellishments for cards as well. Thought they'd be nice in some. Anyway, I'll get the resin mixed up and we will get right to it. Okay, I've mixed up my resin and I'm using Jadiction 4-hour demold. Now I only had a tiny bit left, so after this I will be using letsresin epoxy, but there's just a bit left and I'm going to decant it into some little pots. I like these little pots because you can wash them out and use them again. Shot glasses. Right, and I've chosen my stickers, which I will show you in one moment. Right, 3 are going to have all the same colour, and the other 2, I've not decided on the colours yet. I've got a few out just to see. Right, I think that's even. I'll stick the rest in this one. There we go. Right, for the top 3 I'm going to use the purple butterflies. Now I've just tried to get the backs off the stickers and it's almost impossible. I'm going to use, it's full of aquacast, just this like cerise mica powder. I got this in a set, I think, off Amazon. I'll pop a bit in there and I'll speed you up while I'm mixing these. I'll just show you. This is like an ethereal, like a ghost powder. It's from Temu, this one. That's going to go into one. And I'm going to use gold from letsresin for the last one. I'm just going to go around them all the way around with a silicone tool. Make sure there's no bubbles, and we've got behind there. Don't want any pesky bubbles. Now I don't think I meant to put it into four pots and a black one for the police officer. So I don't think we'll be doing that one, which is a shame. That gold's absolutely beautiful. I've never used it before. Absolutely gorgeous. This ethereal one, this ghost powder, is a pink. Very, very pale pink. It's actually really pretty once it's cured. Right, I'm going to hit it with my heat gun again, and when it's cured, I'll be right back with you. Right, resin's mixed up, and I'm going to pop a bit of this Angel Whispers from Hunky Dory in, this glitter. It's just a very, very fine glitter. Excuse my arm. Let's bring it in. Oh, and as you can see, I mixed a bit more resin up just to make a black one. Couldn't leave it out. I think that's probably about enough. Oh, perhaps a tad more. I don't want too much. I don't want it overwhelming the pieces. There we go. Right, let's mix that in. I've used my hand mixer this time, as the last time I used this resin. I put so many bubbles in because I mixed too fast. Right, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to top them all off. I'm going to dome these. Some of them are domed already, which means I won't be spraying any alcohol in it because it will break the surface tension. So I'm really going to have to babysit these for a while. I'd say an hour, because that one, even though it's card with a coating on, a special coating, it's in 2 layers and it's got foam tape, foam pads in between, so I can imagine that's going to make a lot of bubbles. We will see, and then possibly, but I will babysit it and I'll use a heat gun, and as soon as they're cured I'll be right back with you. I've left these overnight. Now this one's still ever so slightly soft because it is very, very cold here, so I'm just going to demold them. That's pretty. Tiny bit of tidy up to do. That's very pretty. I've never used this mould before. It's from Moulds and Shapes, by the way. I'm sure most people know that. That's pretty. Ah, it still works. Might need to top coat these. We'll see what they're like when I've deburred them. Didn't mix the mica powder so much there. They come out very nice. I had a bit of leftover resin, so I've put it in there. I'll do something with them, I think. Right, let's have a look. I'm going to pick the ones I'm going to make into keychains. Don't think I want that one. There we go. And I'll show you the keychains that I got. I bought these from The Works. They're really good, sturdy ones as well. You get 2 for £1. I thought that was really good. So I thought we'd attach a few. I'm going to leave you with a bit of music now while I put these on. You'll see what I'm doing. These ones don't need a top coat, and as you can see, I didn't have any rose gold jump rings, which is a shame. I'm sure I have somewhere, but we will find them. So for now, it's got a silver one. That's very pretty. That one's my favourite, I think. I like that one very much. And yeah, the policeman, he definitely needs sanding and a top coat. Something happened. I think it's the cold weather. I really do, because I left them overnight and I turned my heat mat off. Yeah, it gone very funny. So I'll take some photos for you, then you can see them up close and leave them at the end. Thanks ever so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.